Hello, this is Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day here in Tennessee. Today we're going to make an ice cream sandwich delight. It is awesome dessert. We made it for a church function at my church, and it was totally devoured. So you're going to start off with some ice cream sandwiches. I got the Mayfield here. I caught them on sale. And there's 6 to a box here. This is the bigger ice cream sandwiches, not the minis. And I've got 3 boxes of ice cream sandwiches. Also, I've got some Kuip here. I caught this on sale. It's a big 16-ounce container. You could do 2 8-ounce containers or just one if you don't like a lot of Kuip. But I've got 16 ounces here. And I've got some, you can do chocolate syrup, butterscotch syrup, whatever kind of topping you want to put on it. But I thought it'd be fun to put the Magic Shell chocolate syrup on mine. All right, let's get started. Get this opened up here. I'm going to start unwrapping my ice cream sandwiches. And I'm just going to lay one in at a time. There'll be a total of 8 ice cream sandwiches on the bottom layer, with one broken in half. And I'm sorry, I must have deleted that video by mistake because this is all you got. So after I got that first layer, I put a layer of Kuip, about half of the container, on top of the ice cream sandwiches. Now I have started the second row. And I do use the entire 3 boxes. I think there was 2 ice cream sandwiches left. I gave one to my husband, and I ate the other one. But again, there'll be another 8 ice cream sandwiches here. One will be broken in half, as you'll see in here in a few minutes. There is our second layer of ice cream sandwiches. Again, I got 8. I had to have one. Now we're going to take the rest of the Kuip and we're going to put it on top of this. I'm putting the final layer of the Kuip, the rest of the container, on top of my second layer, of ice cream sandwiches. I'm going to spread that out. Make sure I cover all the edges and get it completely covered. Okay, so now I'm going to freeze this for about a couple hours. You can make it the night before and freeze it. That would be fine too. But I'm going to add my topping after I pull out of the freezer. So let's pop this in the freezer for a couple hours. Okay, now it's been a couple hours. I have pulled it out of the freezer. I'm going to shake up my topping here and squirt it all over it. Now you can put as little or as much of this as you want. We do like the chocolate, so we kind of squirted it all over it, as you can see. Now I have cut this piece here, and look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? This is going to be a great summertime dessert. God bless you. Until my next video.